Ever wondered how AI is changing our world? Imagine a place where the boundaries of technology and human ingenuity blend seamlessly. Welcome to the sphere of OpenAI. Founded in late 2015, OpenAI emerged from the minds of thinkers and innovators like Elon Musk and Sam Altman. They initiated this venture with a vision as broad as the sky, to ensure that artificial intelligence benefits all of humanity. Quite the lofty goal, wouldn't you say? Now, what sets OpenAI apart? It operates as a research organization, focusing on developing friendly AI that collaborates with people to solve some of the world's most pressing issues. Safety and ethics stand at the core of its philosophy. It's like having a wise friend who not only knows a lot, but also cares deeply about your well-being. One of the crown jewels in OpenAI's illustrious cap is ChatGPT. This particular project turned heads globally with its ability to understand and generate human-like text. ChatGPT can draft essays, solve queries, and even mimic human banter. Imagine having a chat with an AI that can quote Shakespeare and explain quantum physics all in one breath. But OpenAI isn't just about creating smart machines. It's about fostering a symbiosis between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. The organization publishes its research openly, sharing its findings with the world, thus democratizing AI technology. This openness ensures that the ladder to advanced AI doesn't just lean against one wall, but is accessible to everyone. In conclusion, OpenAI plays a pivotal role in the advancement of artificial intelligence. With its commitment to ethical AI and groundbreaking projects like ChatGPT, the organization is not just shaping the future of technology, but is also ensuring that this future is inclusive and beneficial for all. As we stand on the brink of AI revolutions, one can only imagine the myriad ways in which OpenAI will continue to contribute to our understanding and implementation of artificial intelligence. In a world that's rapidly transforming, they're keeping the human experience right at the heart of technological evolution.